Today we are doing unboxing for Huawei new model Y6p. This is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. Yes, this is Huawei new entry level model. Inside the box we are getting on the top phone itself. Then we are getting usual smaller box with a SIM ejection tool. Other things are included power adapter, USB to micro USB cable and headphone. Sadly we have here micro USB cable, but again it's a budget phone, so we can compromise that. Now putting the spotlight on the phone itself, Huawei Y6p have a plastic frame body and polycarbonated glossy back. Honestly it look like same exactly like Y7 Prime. The unit we have is called Phantom Purple. It also have emerald green and midnight black option. Holding this phone it feels like very lightweight, although it's little bit thick. More on the back you find have a triple camera setup vertically with the flash, fingerprint scanner and some Huawei brandings. Flipping to display. We have here 6.3-inch HD plus TFT LCD IPS screen with 1600 by 720 pixel, 2.5D glass panel, plus pre-installed screen protector also we will get here. It also has a smaller notch on the top which has a 8 megapixel f2.0 wide camera. Huawei using as a face recognition also. The size is just okay for gaming and watching videos. Although it has only HD plus resolution. On the right side we have a power button and a volume rocker, while on the left side we have a dual nano SIM tray with a dedicated micro SD card. Up top is a secondary microphone. On the bottom we have a loudspeaker, micro USB port, main microphone and the headphone jack. Power the device is a MediaTek MT6762R octa-core processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage and large battery 5000 mAh battery. It runs EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10. As you wondering, since this is a Huawei device, don't expect any Google services pre-installed, but instead of you will get HMS Huawei App Gallery. As for camera, the triple camera shooter on the back composed of 13 megapixel main, 5 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The phone seems like a very good phone for the budget segment. Let me know your thoughts below in comments. I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure you drop us like, hit the bell icon, be sure to visit the Naveed's View. Once again this is Naveed and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.